Right, so we're up at Callendar Square on the 8th of September 2025. Give you guys a wee bit of an update again, since it's been a wee while. This is the High Street side. The big machines working over the back there. Just see it over the back there. I'm gonna go right the way round. They said that you're filming at quite a lot. Or we used to film quite a lot at. It's particularly at the benches there. This is how this side's looking. Can't really see much. But that kind of crusher there, it's still been active for a wee while. I can't show you guys around the other side. Right, so this is all the other side of the fence. As you can see, they are working. You might not get a very good kind of look at it. Yeah, like kind of machine at the back to kind of break up all the kind of reinforced concrete and stuff. That alone is kind of stripping out a lot of reinforced concrete that the big guy was kind of breaking up. There is a muncher attachment there. I don't know if that's going to be for one of these ones, or if we're going to get an audition room or at some point again, because the kind of smaller one that was on site is no longer on site. The big fella just kind of breaking up a lot of stuff just at the base of that. And you know, so he's just kind of doing what he was doing with the kind of basement bit. A good way will go down. Head up and round. I hope to get some demo of the day, but typically not. Put the camera through there, you can see that the building that they're working on now, which you'll see on the other side because you can't actually see right the way through. They're taking about 90% of the beams away up the top. And that Manitou thing there was kind of going in and out of where the building is. Kind of taking a lot of the stuff away. I don't know where the sewing machine's going. I think he's going and parking up. Or not, he's just going to give a couple of whacks to a big bit of metal. Flattening that bit off. Yeah, he is. Big machine doing it. I wonder if it's a bit pack up time for them. It must be a bit pack up time for them. Yeah, so clearly they were just finishing up there. And then come up to this bit. So this top side bit's looking. Yeah, so obviously in that last update,
Don't bother, it's alright.
I did say that they were working on, or they also made that ramp going right the way across. To the big white building. But this bit here goes round to the back of that. And as you can see, there is a pretty sizable hole in that. I think the majority, all this is all coming down. I think that bit there's all the stuff that's kind of came off of that top bit. I really don't know how they're going to do that though. I don't know if this bit here will be coming down as well, or it doesn't look like it that's coming down. But yeah, there's like 2 of them beams at the top still left to be kind of cut. I'll catch you guys back round the other side.